Our baguettes have risen beautifully, look at that. About a third of a size, and look at that, when you press it, it stays in, only a little bit coming back. That I think is a very good sign that they are ready. And now we're gonna decorate them a little bit of flour. The cut is going to be from one end to another because that cut works the best on this kind of tray here. It opens up the baguette the best way. So here we go. Let's have a look inside the dough. Oh yes, look at that. It's nicely bubbly there. This dough shows a lot of strength. It's brilliant. This is 6th day and it kept its strength beautifully. There are some flours that would deteriorate in 2 days and you wouldn't be able to do this with them at all. So you know, keep an eye on flours and their strength and test different ones.
A baguette, more than any other bread, is an exercise in contrasts. It's a paradox. It has to have a really crispy, crunchy crust, and the crumb has to be really soft and fluffy, just calling out for butter and olive oil. And I think that on day 6 of our amazing breadathon, the baguette is probably the winner. It gets my prize for best bread of the week.
Of course you would say that.
I know, it's because I'm waiting for the butter. Hurry up.